So this is how you don't do electrical work. Somebody decided to come out of the wall, actually out of the wall, come across the board and go back in the wall. You don't come out of the wall, you electrical. So to fix this, first I gotta fix this piece right here. It's just the outer insulation that's messed up. So we've got to fix that. And then I chipped out the 2x4 so that the wire can go back in the wall, and then put a metal plate over it so somebody can't drive a nail into the wire or a screw. So they make these little plates specifically for going over your wires if your wire is too close to the edge. In this case it's right in the edge, but yeah, the one is not going to be wide enough, so I'm going to put 2 of them in there to cover the board. So I've got to finish chipping this out so that this will go inside and nail into the board. So the way I found this one is another wire sticking out. It had a big hump where they put sheetrock over it and tried to sand it smooth. Of course the wire was in there, so it couldn't sand it smooth. They came out of the wall, went across 2x6 this time, went back in the wall. Again, they should have chipped it out, put a metal plate over it at least,